Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you're doing fine. You're doing good. Another video today about self-love and self-respect. It's a learning process. Um, yes, it is. I've been on that journey for quite a while now. Self-love. I discover how to love myself, how to respect myself, and self-love and self-respect are directly connected. If we don't respect ourselves, we don't love ourselves. So today I'm gonna talk about technology. There's a lot of people today addicted on technology and they don't even know they're addicted on technology. Just wrote a new song about that actually. I've been writing songs for a couple of years. And yeah, in that song, I'm talking about a lot of people addicted on technology, but they don't know they're addicted. So, to respect ourselves and to connect with ourselves, we need to take a break from technology. Not stop technology, not use it. It's okay to use technology, but we need to be balanced. So, what I suggest is if you want to, first of all, someone who's always connected on technology, it's impossible to be connected with himself if this person's always on technology. It's not possible. So to reconnect with yourself, you need silence. You need to take a break from technology. So something that could be good is to balance that, to be balanced in the use, the way we use technology. So you could start just pulling back a little from technology from time to time, or to say, okay, today I'm not going to go on technology. I'm going to take time for myself. I'm going to meditate with nice music. That's respecting yourself, to have a balanced life. Because if the person is always on technology, it's not possible to connect with the human being that you are. It's not possible to connect with yourself because you're always outside of yourself. Because when you're using technology and looking at different things on technology, you're not inside of yourself. You're outside. You're watching something outside of you. You need to breathe, come back to yourself, connect with your body, connect with yourself, and that's how you could love yourself. That's how you could respect yourself, to balance that. Because sometimes we're addicted to technology and we don't know it because we're so used to be on technology. I use technology. I use YouTube. Fantastic. Fantastic. But I'm balanced, I'm balanced in my use of technology. And I find time for myself to connect with myself, to sing, to write music, to breathe, to meditate. That's when I go within with the human being that I am inside. Because technology, it's outside, looking at things. So that's what I want to share with you guys today. So the tip is very simple. Just take a break and try to learn about yourself. It's when you go within that you learn what a beautiful person, human being that you are. That's when you go inside, you say, oh, I'm beautiful actually. But if we're always distracted and always on technology, we're not gonna find that out. So take time for yourself. Connect with yourself. You could start very short, very small. Just say, okay, I'm gonna take a break today for 2 hours, no technology. Connect with yourself. Come back inside. Breathe. Do mantra. Learn to love yourself. Learn to know yourself. To learn to love yourself, you need to learn to know yourself. And it's when you take a break and you connect with yourself that you learn to know. You learn to know yourself. So you could do mantras to connect with yourself. You could do different things, anything that you like. If you like to play basketball, go play basketball. Stop technology for 2 hours, take a break, and go play basketball if it makes you happy. Or write songs like me. I've been writing songs. Feels good. I connect with myself. I learn to know myself more when I write songs. It's like, oh, that's interesting. That's interesting, that song. And after I sing those songs, and it feels great, I connect with myself. I learn to know myself and learn to love myself. So I hope you're well, guys. See you next time.